Things don't always go to plan in sales, especially in complex B2B sales, where there can be all sorts of twists and turns. I had an example of that when we were doing a final presentation at the end of a very long sales cycle. And as my team were presenting, I was scanning the room to understand the sentiment of the people there. I saw a lot of furrowed brows and crossed arms. Clearly, something wasn't right. At the end of the meeting, I pulled aside my buyer and I said to him, "We missed the mark, didn't we?" He reluctantly nodded. Now, fortunately for me, he agreed to give us a second chance, and we came back and we nailed the next presentation. We just missed the brief. So what's the lesson in this? The lesson is that your customer sentiment antennae need to be on and on high alert at all times. So right now, get on the phone, call your customer and ask them, how do they feel about how things are going? How do they feel about the relationship with you and your company? And are things on track? You might well be surprised by what you hear. Give it a go. It'll give you an opportunity at the very least to realign things.